Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths video of chapter number 17. Today we will start new chapter, that is idea of speed, distance and time. As its name shows beta, then definitely we are going to deal with distance, time and speed in this chapter, right? It's a little bit or you can say totally this topic is of physics topic. This topic is of physics and we will study it in the maths, right beta? So I think you are familiar that what is distance. You all know distance is the beta length between two places. These are the two places, A or B, we can say that two places, any name you can give it to them, like the length of between these two places, the gap, the distance, that is called distance between the two places, right? Length of the length between two points is called distance. And next is time. You are very well know that what is time. And the main topic that is made up of distance and time, that is called speed. Now if I ask you that what is speed, definitely you will say that speed, we know that what is speed like गाड़ी की speed, train की speed, कोई कितनी speed से भाग रहा है, that is speed. But I am talking about definition, that what is speed actually in terms of maths, in terms of physics. Beta, this speed is the speed of a body is the distance covered by a body in unit time. Means a body is covering how much distance in unit time. Unit time, you can say that 1 second. How much distance a body is covering in a unit time is called speed. So mathematically we write it like distance in unit time है ना, that is per unit time, that is distance over time is called speed. Speed, how we can measure it? Like if practically we see the case that if a body is covering 50 kilometer in 1 hour, and we have two bodies A and B. A is covering 50 kilometer in per hour and body B is covering 60 kilometer in per hour, right? So definitely we will say that which body is having more speed. Definitely body B is having more speed because it is covering 60 kilometer in 1 hour and body A is covering 50 kilometer in per hour, right? So we will say that speed of body B is more than body A, right beta? Now next thing is units of speed. Beta, unit is the unit is that thing in which we measure any physical quantity. Like speed को हम किस में measure करते हैं? जैसे weight. Like if you are measuring your weight, when you measure it, you always say my weight is 30 kg, my weight is 40 kg. If I say that my weight is 55 kg, then kg is a unit in which we are measuring weight, right? So in case of speed, the unit of speed, we measure the speed, the basic unit are very smaller unit, that are meter per second. Why we have taken meter? Because speed is equals to distance over time, and distance is measured in what? The smallest unit for distance that we take in case of speed, that is meter, right? And for time we will take second. So we can write it like m/s. So we will pronounce it, we will call it meter per second. Meter per second. You can write it like this, and one more way that you will see in case of physics, you will see the units will be written like this. Okay, so this is the basic unit of speed, and the bigger unit of speed are distance can be measured in beta kilometer, and bigger unit for time are hour. So the another unit of speed are kilometer per hour. You can write it kilometer per hour like this, or kilometer kilometer per hour, right? And the next thing that we will study, we have done this. Yes, another two formulas. Beta, if you know very well that speed is equal to distance over time, na, I can guarantedly say to you that no need to remember other formulas. You can make other formulas from here. How? Like, as we know, speed is equals to distance over time. If somebody says to you that speed is given, find the time, what we will do? How we will find? Interchange the terms. Take time to this side and speed to this side. It will be time is equal to distance over speed. This is the second. This is first formula. Second formula. Third, if you get the question that find the distance, speed and time are given, what you will do? The quantity which we have to measure, we will take into one side and other we will take to another side. So speed is already there. Take this time also toward that side. As time is in division, so when we will take into the another side, it will go in multiplication. Right? So speed is equal to distance over time. Time is equal to distance over speed, and distance is equal to speed into time. Another two formulas we have make from this formula. So you can you need to remember only this formula, other you will do automatically. Next thing is that we have to learn. Kindly have a look on these things which are given. Even time can also be one important thing. Wait. One important thing is, if you find the distance, he has written to find distance. If speed is given in meter per second, the units of speed are meters per second, then time must be in second. Beta, take care of units in these sums. If speed is in case of speed, if time is given in seconds, so your time that is you are going to find, or that is given to you, it must be in second. Okay, if it is not in seconds, then you have to change it into second, right? And when we will do the sums, you will get that what I was saying. Speed, if speed is given in kilometer hour, so time must be in hours. Okay, so next thing that we are going to study are the types of speed: uniform speed and variable speed. Beta, uniform, you know this word, what is this? Uniform, as you wear uniform for your school. The word uni means one. So one form where everything is similar, that is called uniform. So uniform speed is the speed in which a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. How? For example, a car covers 60 km in first hour. If a car takes 1 hour to complete 60 km distance, and so next 1 hour, 60 km in second hour, 60 km in third hour, means every time if the car is covering 60 km, it takes every time only 1 hour, right? And the second is variable. Variable means change. Vary means change or changeable, which change, right? For example, for this, if a car covers 60 km in first hour, 1 घंटे में 60 किलोमीटर कवर कर रही है, 67 किलोमीटर इन सेकेंड आवर, स्पीड थोड़ी इंक्रीज हो गई, नाउ इट इज़ कवरिंग 67 इन सेकेंड आवर, एंड अभी डिक्रीज होगी तो 58 किलोमीटर इन थर्ड आवर. ये वेरी कर रही है ना, पहले 60 किलोमीटर कवर किया, दैन 67, दैन 58. बट इन फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल व्हाट वाज दिस, 60 किलोमीटर इन 1 hour, 60 किलोमीटर इन सेकेंड आवर, 60 किलोमीटर इन थर्ड आवर. So first example is of uniform speed, in which speed is same, and second example is variable speed, in which speed is going to change, right beta? And so tomorrow we will start with questions of exercise 17A. if you get any problem in introduction, you can ask me. Okay, so we will start it tomorrow. Thank you beta.